I'm Yumi, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, students and staff came back to school ready for another action-packed week ahead. The virtue of this week, diligence. Tuesday, different families from all around Singapore could be found celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival, the end of the autumn harvest and the time of year that the moon is at its brightest. Wednesday, Grade 1 demonstrated creativity, designing and building their very own computer games. Thursday, Grade 6 students played the role of parents and children continuing their discussions about online safety through a spirited class debate. Friday, everyone finished the week coming in with a touch of gold, showing their support for children worldwide who have cancer. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.